Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on these 2 dots at the top right corner of your app, select floating window, and as you can see now I can use my app in this little window over here. You can move it around by holding this top line over here and dragging it whenever you wish to. You can also use it to overlay other apps by clicking on the other app. And now as you can see, I can operate in both of them at the same time. Then choose home button, click on this little window over here, itsy bitsy one, and if you wish to close it, click at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!